it's Chai, and I am on my way to Richmond. I should be there in about like maybe 2 hours, an hour and a half, depending on traffic. I'm going to see my friend Caitlin for one, and then two, tonight there's going to be a exhibit from one of my friends who's an artist that I'm going to go see, so I'm excited. Ugh, even though my shirt says I'm excited. Like, ugh, I'm so excited. So I'll be honest, I'm extremely disorganized right now. Like, tomorrow I have a photo shoot in Fort Washington, so I'll be making my way back. But I don't know how my makeup's gonna get done. I don't even have my outfit. So I'll figure that out. There's mud. Oh my God, everywhere. Okay, we're good. I would say usually I'm a little bit more organized than this, but actually I'm not. It's actually pretty bad how disorganized I am. But I remember to put on clean underwear, and that's all that matters. I really hate that whole, like, I have so much to do, but I can't think about what it is that I need to do. But I have like 30 million things to do. So I've been vlogging like a lot, like vlogging, well, not like, yeah, I haven't really been uploading it, but I've kind of been talking, and I really kind of like using this as my personal diary in a sense, and just for recollection when I go back and look at something and try to remember it. It's just so much easier when it's all in video format. It's like, oh, I did do that. It's so completely easier. I like writing in a diary, but I talk too much and I talk too fast that my hand like starts cramping, and then I'm like, oh my God, all these words are filling out and I can't keep up. Yeah, good morning, everyone. that's what I'm on right now. That's what I'm on. Let's do this. You know when you just like can't get off the phone with somebody and just keep on talking to them? That's how I feel about you guys. You guys care about my life. You guys care about my life. You guys care about my life. I just touched down from my flight. I'm coming out from the airport, and now I'm waiting on Caitlin to pick me up from the airport. Hello, hello.
There's nothing.
Rhett and Link here. I'm just joking.
I'm Rhett.
Dude, did you see their hot ones?
Really bushy. Oh, what?
Their hot ones? Rhett and Link's hot ones?
No.
I love Link.
What the hell? No. Rhett
Link,
is
if you're watching this.
No, listen, Rhett is like a really nice looking lumberjack.
Yeah, Rhett's awesome, but I just feel like
you got
he's
Link,
for you, and
who, yeah.
Dude, why is it like on your face like that?
I know, which is why I was just ignoring it.
We need to like move it.
Look at you, being resourceful.
Savvy.
That's great. Hi guys, Chyfox here. Oh shit, this blending brush. Here you go. Blends very well.
Hey Foxes, it's Chai.
Oh, is that how I'm sorry. Clearly I watch all of her videos in complete order.
Yeah.
We have to watch that last one.
Yes. We do have to put that on.
Chyfox goes to New York.
So it would be like a inception of me putting Chyfox show on, them watching the Chyfox show. No, because they're freely watching the Chyfox show and they can go watch
No sponsored by Chyfox herself. Not sponsored.
That's so funny. So me and Caitlin are eating barbecue. How's it taste? Huh?
What?
Oh. I didn't know you were ready.
Look, I'm literally vlogging you struggling at this.
I don't even have data.
You know what I meant.
This is it, right? This is what we need for goblet.
That's nice.
I need,
It's like a mermaid, unicorn, child biker. Those are the vibes I get out of it.
I am a child biker. That is my job.
Exactly.
What else do I need? I need like a very long black shirt.
Yo, whole back out. Goddamn.
Jesus. Oh, they're public. I need,
You look like you're in somebody's basement right now in this.
I am.
Oh, welcome to my basement.
Get it. That's a nice spring back.
What? Oh, it is nice.
Oh, very nice spring back. It's not too like
This one's
this
upgraded?
spring back is like a
Oh, like you
don't
would hear it
know.
from the other room and be like, my toast is ready.
yeah. See,
But this
this
one-
one is very gentle.
Silent.
Let me see.
Yeah, I don't
might
think you would
miss
really
my
know.
toes. I might miss it.
You might forget. Nah, please don't go back here unless you work here. It's so little. What would you put in there?
Muffins. One muffin.
One single muffin. Oh my
I don't
gosh.
know. This looks like the Men in Black thing.
Looks like a vibrator
Wow.
in here.
We're trying to keep it PG.
Oh yeah, this is for your YouTube channel. Sorry.
Erase.
Oh, it did look like the Men in Black.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I thought that was Stephen Colbert. Look it right there. This guy.
That's funny.
Much bigger neck.
Right.
Oh, Microsoft Office 97.
Oh my god, I need
Millennium Edition.
this. So me.
Wow.
Might need this.
Is that like a workbook?
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, we're keeping this.
You were getting that?
I need this. You didn't know that?
Clearly.
97. Like I could totally like cut you out.
90 cents? Oh man, that hair is fantastic.
Which one?
Right
It's a
here.
wig. It's a doggy. Oh wow, look at
I
her.
thought that
She
was
looks
Judge
great.
Judy from far away. I'm really bad with association.
Yeah, I see. What's this? Contender net and post set.
Contender.
Table tennis fits most table tennis. Do we-
Oh. Oh.
Hello. My office ready together.
A whole typewriter.
I did need it. The office needs to be updated.
We need new equipment.
I do.
$4.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Hi. Hi. Welcome to Chili's. Just walks off. Hi. Welcome to Chili's.
Oh my god.